In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Sketchbook app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Sketchbook app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store. Go ahead and tap on Play Store, and this will take you to this search bar here. Use this to search for your app by name. Alternatively, if you can't see this search bar, go ahead and tap on search icon here, and then go ahead and search by name like this, and then just tap on search. Here you can see we have the Sketchbook app available. Now tap on it, and to make sure that it is the right app, make sure it is from Sketchbook. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.4 with over 492,000 reviews. Currently the app has over 100 million downloads, and the file size is averagely 98 MBs, and this is the current logo for this app. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Sketchbook app on your smartphone and then install it. Now once the app has been installed, it's ready to be used. Go ahead and tap on open from here, or if you go back, you should be able to see your app under your apps. You can see mine is here. From here, go ahead and tap on it, and this will be the welcoming interface. Go ahead and give permission to start using this Sketchbook app. From here, use, navigate around, and start sketching as you wish. So that's how you can download the right Sketchbook app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.